Let's take a look at factorising this problem here. Now, this is from Education Perfect. So I'm getting a few questions on this one, and this works on the principle that we understand what brackets are. Brackets are one thing. So I see one thing here. I've got a 2x here. We can treat that as one thing. This is a thing in brackets. It's one thing. It doesn't matter what it is. It doesn't matter how many things in the brackets. It's just one thing. Here's another one thing. Here's another one thing. And when we factorise, we look at the terms and we say what is common. And in this case, we've got two terms. We've got this thing over here and we've got this thing over here. We say what's common to this and this. Well, let's break it down into a more simple example. Let's say I had xy, or let's go xz, that's better, minus yz. So now my question is, if we were to factorise this, what is common to this and this? All the things that are common to both of them, well, there's a z that's common, so I'll put the z outside the brackets. And now I ask the question, what times z makes xz? Well, x times z makes xz. And what times z makes negative yz? Well, negative y times z makes negative yz. So there's my factorisation. Let's have a look at a slightly different example. This time I'll make it CP plus DP. So if we're to factorise, we say, what is common to this and this? Well, I can see that P is common, so I put P outside the brackets, and I say, what times P makes CP? Well, C times P makes CP. And what times P makes DP? Well, D times P makes DP. And there is my factorisation of that problem. Let's go back to the original now, which we talked about. So I've got 2x, x plus 1, minus 3, x plus 1. And we're going to apply exactly the same logic. And then I'll show you the quicker way of doing it. So we say, what is common to this and this? Well, I see x plus 1 is common to both. So I put x plus 1 outside the brackets. Now, what times x plus 1 makes 2x x plus 1? Well, 2x times x plus 1 makes 2x plus 1. 2x x plus 1. And what times x plus 1 makes negative 3x plus 1? Well, negative 3 times x plus 1 makes negative 3x plus 1. And there is my factorisation. To make this quick, all we do is when we see there's the same thing on both, we put that thing down, and then we put the two remaining parts, there they are, inside the brackets. And we're done.